Hi, welcome everyone to the Tech Show. We all are looking for a perfect gaming ROM for Poco F1, right? But we can find one. There are so much ROMs that we get confused which is good or which we should use. But you have come to the right place. I will show you the best gaming ROM for the Poco F1. No other ROM can beat it, I guarantee. So this ROM is called the MIUI Global 10.3.7 based on Android 9 Pie, which is the official Xiaomi ROM. That means you will face no bugs or lags or anything in it. The main thing of this ROM is that it is very smooth, like this. It is very smooth, no jitter, lags or anything. The fingerprint, the face unlock, everything works so nice, and overall UI smoothness is great. And the main thing is that Android 9 Pie isn't that old, so app support is fine too. Now I am not using any other kernel like D8G or other overclocked kernels because it isn't safe for our device. Those can cause harm to your phone by hardware, I mean. So I'm keeping it stock. Now the battery life of this ROM is amazing. I mean, just look at it. Like, I'm currently on 62%, as you can see, and I'm using it for 4 hours currently, and the screen on time is 3 hours 21 minutes, which is amazing. You know, I haven't played any games in this period, but you know, this has no standby drain or other issues like other ROMs. The battery life is rock solid. And talking about performance, this ROM is unbeatable. I mean, I will show you, but take my word for this. This ROM is great. You can install this from official Xiaomi website or xiaomifarmer.com. They have fast boot or recovery. You can choose both ways. You need the farmer with it. Usually the ROM comes with the farmer, so no worries there. And this ROM stays very cool, not overheating. No overheating issues there. This is very good for PUBG competitive match. If you are a competitive player, this ROM is must have for it. This is the best gaming ROM of Poco F1, guaranteed. I have tried USB extended, Pixel experience, and a lot of other ROMs, ColverOS, HavoCOS, with kernels like NGK kernel, D8G kernel, and a lot of other. I mean everything. I tried everything kind of. But this ROM has the stability like no other ROMs. You will be amazed when you use it. You will feel like you have bought a new phone. Let's benchmark it. We need to give permissions. Give me a minute. Here we go. And you can see the CPU temps are normal, 36 degree and 34. It's very normal. Let's test it. I will skip this part because it will take a lot of time. It is not passing through the TERRACOTA test, which depends on Vulkan, I guess, since Android 9 probably doesn't have Vulkan support, or I don't know, but it's not passing through it. I don't know what happened. So it's almost finished. For some weird reason, the Terracotta didn't pass. This is a bummer, but it could have scored more. Otherwise, I think it's a good score. We should try some gaming here, right? And talking about screen recorder, you can record internal sound. You can record system sounds and mic. Frame rate can be chosen from 60 fps and resolution can be upped. Screen recorder works fine. Let's fire up some PUBG. And to tell you, I installed the 90 fps module. There is a video about this in our channel. You can watch that to install it. You will get 90 fps option in the game. So let's fire up PUBG. Oh, the game turbo works too. It's not that much useful, but it's there. Nothing else. So let me show you the graphics settings quick. Here it is. As you can see, there is 90 fps option. Otherwise you will have the extreme option only. For that module I am getting 90 fps. Lobby 90 fps, colorful. Anti-aliasing is enabled, brightness and other stuff. So let's play. I will try the Sandhawk and drop in boot camp. As you can see, it's very smooth, very smooth. There is no signs of any kind of lag here. You can be assured about that. It's currently chosen on 90 fps, but if I choose the 60 fps option, it will work too. As smooth as this. No lag, no stutter, no freeze, nothing. No frame drop at all. But let's choose 90 fps for extra FPS, I guess. We will jump in boot camp. It's smooth. It is very smooth. Not only smooth, but it is very smooth, very smooth. I trust my words on this. Just try once this ROM, guys. You will not regret. I am using this ROM for 1 month now and I love this ROM actually. I am not a MIUI guy, but this ROM is amazing. I mean, so much stability, no bugs. Damn. Fuck. Damn, he killed me. Let's play TDM, guys. I'm kinda bad at this game, but pardon me. This runs absolutely amazing, guys. Just see it in your eyes. It's very smooth, you can see guys. I'm kinda bad at this game, but don't judge me. But these games, I guess it's enough. Let's see other features and other stuff. As usual, MIUI 10, nothing special. This is the model number, Android 9 Pie. It's very smooth guys, trust me. The link of this ROM will be in the description, and this, as you can see, this kernel is the default kernel. So yeah, thanks for today. See you in the next one.